After age 60, reduced collagen, circulation issues, and nerve sensitivity can cause tingling hands and weak legs. This is common in seniors, and it can be improved naturally through diet. We'll focus on simple foods that support joints, nerves, and muscles. A gentle introduction, understanding changes in our bodies. As we journey through life, our bodies naturally change. After age 60, many of us begin to notice subtle shifts. Perhaps your hands tingle a bit more. Maybe your legs feel a little less steady on some days. These sensations are very common and often linked to natural processes. It is not necessarily a sign something is seriously wrong. One key change is a decrease in collagen production, a vital protein, the body's internal support system. It gives structure to skin, bones, muscles, and protects the sheaths around our nerves. The good news, we can support our bodies with a wholesome diet rich in specific vegetables. Why collagen matters, the body's scaffolding. Imagine the framework of a house. It holds everything together, walls, roof. Collagen works the same way inside us, the most abundant protein. It forms a strong, flexible network supporting skin, bones, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, muscles, and nerves. Healthy collagen keeps connections strong for smooth, stable movement. Collagen forms protective coverings around nerves, so signals travel clearly. With age, production slows and existing collagen breaks down, causing noticeable changes. Vegetables don't contain collagen. They supply the raw materials to make it and protect what you have. Vitamin C links amino acids into collagen strands. Zinc and copper help. Antioxidants guard collagen. Number 1. The power of spinach, a leafy green hero. Spinach is humble yet powerful, rich in nutrients that build and maintain healthy tissues. Its vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Spinach also provides iron to carry oxygen, fueling collagen-making cells. Magnesium supports muscle contraction and relaxation and smooth nerve transmission, easing cramps and tingling. Use baby spinach as a salad base with a light vinaigrette. Stir into warm soups or stews just before serving. Add a handful to scrambled eggs or fold into an omelet. Blend into a fruit smoothie. Mild flavor, full benefits. Number 2. Kale has gained a reputation as a superfood, for good reason. Like spinach, kale is rich in vitamin C and provides copper, a crucial cofactor for forming strong, stable collagen fibers. Think of copper as the artisan weaving resilient collagen, supporting joints and skin. Kale offers calcium and magnesium, partners for coordinated muscle function and calmer nerves. Stronger collagen buffers nerves from pressure. Minerals improve muscle tone and bone density, reducing tingling and weakness. Massage kale with olive oil and lemon to soften. Add chopped kale to soups, stews, and casseroles. Classic white bean and kale with garlic and herbs. Simple, warming, and supportive. Next, broccoli, a familiar dinner table staple, and a vitamin C powerhouse. A single serving can exceed daily needs, fueling collagen production. Broccoli also contains sulfur, another building block for resilient connective tissue. It supplies potassium to conduct nerve impulses and support efficient muscle contractions. Fiber helps steady blood sugar, and anti-inflammatory compounds calm nerve irritation. Lightly steam until tender crisp. Roast with olive oil, salt, and garlic. Toss raw florets into salads or add to a vibrant stir-fry. Number 4. Bell peppers are nutritional superstars for collagen health. Red, yellow, orange. A single red bell pepper has more vitamin C than an orange. That vitamin C fuels collagen for skin, joints, and tendons. They also bring B vitamins and potassium, supporting nervous system health and muscle strength. Enjoy raw with hummus or brighten salads and sandwiches. Roast to bring out sweetness. Add to pasta or rice bowls. Blend into a savory sauce for a colorful, protective boost. Next, tomatoes are beloved and valuable for healthy aging. They provide vitamin C for daily collagen building. Their standout is lycopene, a potent antioxidant that shields existing collagen. Tomatoes also add potassium and B vitamins, supporting nerve signals and muscle contractions. Try sliced tomatoes on whole grain toast with a drizzle of olive oil. They're juicy in salads. Cooking boosts lycopene absorption. Enjoy soups, stews, and slow-simmered sauces with garlic and fresh herbs. A comforting, concentrated source of protective nutrients. We then talk about carrots. They offer gentle, supportive benefits. Beyond some vitamin C, their beta-carotene converts to vitamin A, vital for skin cell growth and repair. Healthy skin and tissues cushion nerves and vessels, supporting overall comfort. Carrots add potassium for nerve impulses and muscle rhythm, plus fiber for steadier blood sugar and energy. Snack on carrot sticks or baby carrots with yogurt or hummus. Grate into salads and coleslaw for color and crunch. Roast with olive oil, thyme, and rosemary to bring out sweetness. Blend into silky soups for a soothing, nutrient-dense bowl. The journey is not a quick fix. It is the steady power of small, positive choices. Understand collagen loss, nerve health, and food. Then take gentle, proactive steps. Spinach, kale, broccoli, bell peppers, tomatoes, carrots. Simple, wholesome, and available, woven into daily life. They give your body tools to build strength from the inside out. Start by replacing some processed foods with fresh vegetables. Processed foods often mean refined sugar, unhealthy fats, and salt, fueling inflammation and nerve sensitivity. Instead of chips, try crunchy bell pepper strips. Instead of a pre-packaged meal, make a simple soup: tomatoes, kale, broccoli. Each swap isn't just avoiding harm, it gives deep nourishment. Be patient and kind to yourself. Nutrition's benefits build over time. Make meals enjoyable. Savor colors, textures, and flavors. Notice small, gradual improvements. If this helped, please subscribe for more healthy living tips. Tap the bell to stay updated. Thank you.